when you're out looking for coke ovens buried in the woods, it's usually not as easy as this to see a sign that, which I don't even know if you can read it. It says Coke Oven Lane. That's usually a good indicator that maybe there's some coke ovens up here. So let's take a quick turn up here and see what we see. This is near, it's in the town of Groveton, Coral, which is in Indiana County. Sun might be working against us here. Let's see if it'll peek behind the clouds. Oh yes, we do have coke ovens. They're up on the hill there. I don't know if I can get any closer. They have all kinds of signs now. You can't walk up and look at them. We did a couple of years ago. But there's some of the last remaining coke ovens in Indiana County. There's not too many. Not like Fayette County.